This beautiful Texas-size home is located in the popular community of Bulverde Village near Stone Oak. Established in 2005, this community has continued to develop. This neighborhood has some of the top-rated schools in the Comal Independent School District that are perfect for you: Indian Springs Elementary, Smithson Valley Middle School, and High School. This two-story home sits on less than a quarter of an acre. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 full bath, master bedroom downstairs, a large game room, and a Texas-sized basement. Bulverde Village is surrounded by some of the best entertainment, restaurants, and shopping centers around San Antonio. If you are thinking of exploring San Antonio, you're minutes from downtown San Antonio, the Pearl Brewery, the Quarry, and Brackenridge Park. Hi, I'm Dennise Pedroza with the Daniel Pedroza Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. Welcome to 25530 Venning Way, located in the Bulverde Village subdivision outside 1604 and 281. Come on in and let me give you a tour. This beautiful kitchen offers an open concept, a kitchen island, gas cooking, plenty of cabinet space, perfect for family gatherings. This master suite has tile flooring and a large master bathroom with double vanities, separate tub and shower, and a large walk-in closet. You will be pleasantly surprised with this Texas-sized basement, which can be used for a second living area, a guest room, a mother-in-law suite, additional bedroom, or an office. There's an abundance of space in this home. Every area of this home will surprise you with its size. Upstairs has a large game room with 4 large secondary bedrooms with walk-in closets and 2 full baths. This backyard offers a large covered patio, privacy fence, perfect for outdoor grilling and family entertainment. For more information about this property, contact the area expert Dennise Pedroza at 210-685-3294.